Hello Year 7, welcome to my Once a Cycle lesson with you. Today we're going to be looking at anthropomorphic writing. You're going to need a pen, your exercise book and a copy of the extract. Maybe some of you know what anthropomorphic writing is, maybe you don't, but I'm about to tell you. So when you've written your title in and underlined it, go to the next slide. Just 5 minutes on this, Year 7. How many films can you name that star talking animals? That's what anthropomorphic writing is. It's putting a human voice into the mouth of animals. And now you're going to have a little go. On the next slide are pictures of different animals. Yeah, I want you to come up with a name for them. What is their personality? And then create a thought bubble for them that shows their personality. There's one here, look, Percival. He's a posh, snobbish platypus. And his thought bubble might be something like, I must go get my nails done today and my beak polished. So there we are, on to the next slide, and you can see what it is that I want you to do. I want you to spend 5 minutes on that, Year 7. So The Wind in the Willows is a book that involves a lot of anthropomorphic writing, and these characters have very, very clear personalities, don't they? Which are driven, our understanding of their personalities is driven by what they say and how they behave. What do we already know about Badger? You can look at pages 39 to 40 to help you. What's your opinion of Badger? Write responses to these in full sentences. What do you think he will be like? How do you think he will act? How will he behave? How will he talk? How will he greet you? And then just write a descriptive piece about Badger when we first meet him. So just 10 minutes on that. Oh, as I've already said, The Wind in the Willows is an anthropomorphic story about Ratty Mole, Badger and Mr. Toad. Excuse me, I seem to have a bit of a cough today. Nothing COVID-y, don't worry. You've all been given an extract about Badger, which I attached to class charts. I want you to highlight any description in that text that makes him anthropomorphic, that is, like a human, and then explain why and what it tells you about Badger. And I want you to spend 10 minutes on that. Now we've got 35 minutes of the lesson left. I want you to create your own anthropomorphic character. Think of a situation to put them in, such as their car has broken down, or they've lost their keys to their house, or they've gone on holiday, or they're in lockdown, or something like that. You can use the animal given at the beginning of the lesson on the piece of paper there that you've already written a little piece for. I want you to make a little plan first. How will the character speak, behave, and dress? And create a list of words to describe them. That's the plan. And then write a creative piece that puts them puts them in a situation where they can show their personality. You've got about half an hour to do that, and that's the thing that I want you to upload to class charts. I'm very much looking forward to reading these. So do that, and thank you very much, Year 7, and I will speak to you after half term, in fact. So have a good half term, and I'll speak to you then. Any problems in my email and so on is all on class charts.